Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Izzy Vicky Beauty here again, and today I'm going to show you how I made this look here. So if you want to see how I accomplished this look, go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to get started with Be Bright Under Eye Concealer. This is Illuminating Concealer, and I'm going to start with concealer just to make sure it's really bright under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend it all out. All right, so my under eyes are bright now, and I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me foundation, color 125 Nude Beige, which is a little bit lighter than my shade, but that's the look I'm going for. Beauty blender just to blend it all out. Okay, so my face is done, my base at least, and now I'm gonna go in with Soft Ochre in my paint pot. I'm going to put my primer on my eyes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes really quick. And for that, I'm gonna be using the yellow color in the James Charles palette. It's called Tune, which is one of the bigger circles, just to do a little bit of here. And I'm gonna be using this one, a Morphe E62 brush. Now I'm going to go in with, this is Ultraviolet, and it's a gel liner. This is from the Ulta brand. So I'm just going to do a wing and just kind of fade it into my lid. So I did my outline with a gel liner. Now I'm gonna take this brush. This is a MAC 239S, and I'm gonna take in the lighter purple from the James Charles palette and a little bit of the light pink color. I'm just gonna mix them, kind of buff out my liner. To finish off my eye look, I'm gonna go in with this color here. This is from the Aladdin and MAC collection, and I don't know what the color is. I don't know what it's called. I'm taking a really small packing brush. This is the Luxie 246. Now I'm going to go on and just conceal under my eyes, again, just to make sure it's really, really bright under there. So as you can see, I am all powdered out. So I went in with the Patrick Star and Mac setting powder, and I'm baking underneath my eyes, on my nose, right up on my upper lip, and then my chin. And then once this is done baking, I'm just gonna dust it off, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my eyebrows. And I'm gonna be using, and this is Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous is what it's called, and it's a long wear eyeliner, and it's in the color Hot Pants, and it's a chrome kind of color, but it's like a gel liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyebrows. Okay, so I just put concealer on my eyebrows just to make them a little bit lighter. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll come back and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go in with the purple liner that I did my eyeliner with, and then the pink that I'm gonna use on my brows. I'm just gonna draw stripes on my face. So I'm gonna start in the middle. So I'm gonna dust off right underneath my eyes. So I'll go in and I will kind of set those with the light pink color from the James Charles palette and the same brush I was using earlier. Now I'm just going to do the nose. I'm outlining it in the same color, but I'm just going to fill it in with the light pink color. Now I am going to line my lips and do the mouth. Now I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise Rumor Zero, which is a white base, and I am going to create a white area up here for my whiskers, and then I'm gonna put inside of my outline for my teeth. Okay, now I'm going to take a brush and I am going to follow the outline. Get really close to my mirror, sorry y'all. So I'm going to take an eyeliner now. I'm just going to draw a couple specks. now I'm just gonna do my wing liner on my eye while I let this part of my mouth dry, so then I can finish the look. Okay, so now I am gonna go in with a, and this is the Ulta brand, cat eye liner stamp. So basically it looks like, I don't know how I can show you guys this. Basically it's like a point, like a triangle liner, and it's like a stamp, you know? And what I'm gonna do is, instead of drawing the teeth in individually, I just did the white line so that I can use this and make the teeth out of this, but the, you know, this is gonna be into the black space. So I'm gonna start doing that. Okay, so my mouth is done, and now my eyebrows are dry. So I'm gonna go in with this pencil and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, so I finished it up. I did my brows, I filled in my teeth. And again, I just used the stamper for your wing line, and then just a regular felt tip to kind of fill it in. And then I used for my lips, I used Makeup Forever in the color Intense 50, which is just a black shine lipstick. And I just kind of blended into the teeth, and that's pretty much my look. I am going to go curl my hair and then I'll be right back. So this is going to be the final look. The only thing I added was mascara to my lashes, and then I just curled my hair, tight curls, and then quickly just kind of like poofed it out. So I made it really like messy. I teased it a lot under here just to keep that volume in there. So just teased underneath, left like more curled pieces up top, and that's pretty much all I did. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you like it down below. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.